Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you how to work a real working hack for LuckyJet 1win website. Okay, let's go. This is me, Shark1x Games, and me, Shark1xBet, if you want this real working hack for LuckyJet 1win. Okay, let's go. Go to the person, actual first date, first time, 1st July 23 year. And let's go. I want to show you how it's work. Go to the Google Chrome. And yes, you see guys, this is a real 1win website. All this are real, don't worry my friends. You see this is 1win.who's official 1win website. All this real, don't worry my friends. Live chat, you see. All this real. And let's go, I want to show you how it's work. Go to my mobile phone, choose Aviator Predictor hack, choose 1win, and choose LuckyJet. And now just wait and you see next coefficient when LuckyJet stop. Just wait. Yes, you see actual coefficient when LuckyJet stop. It's work perfect, it's amazing. Okay, I take it this and show you how it's work. Yes, you see, I withdraw money, it's real work. Okay, place the next bet. Yes, amazing. It's a real working hack for LuckyJet 1win, my friends. Place next bet. Amazing, you see guys, it's amazing. Again. It's big coefficient, I like it. Amazing guys, you see my balance. It's a real work perfect, it's amazing. Okay, I'm placing next bet. Real working hack. It's a real work guys, it's amazing. This is my official Telegram channel and me guys. If you want this a real working hack for LuckyJet. You see guys, it's real work, you see my balance. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdrew it to my Visa card. Thank you for view guy, actual first date and first time. Thank you for view, bye bye guys, see you later.